Good morning everyone. My name is Supriya Kumari. Now let's learn Leaves the Food Factory Part 3. In this video, let's learn the storage of food by plants. Storage of food by plants. Storage of food by plants. Let's learn the storage of food by plants in the Leaves the Food Factory of in the Leaves the Food Factory. Okay, now let's learn here the storage of food by plants. So here we are learning the storage of the food by plants. How the plants store. How the plants store. Let's learn about that. Storage of food by plants. Let's give some examples of this. Examples are first I will tell you some vegetables are and in which part they store the food. And the storage of the food by plant is called starch. Okay, storage of food by plants is called starch. And here examples means some examples. Let's see. They are let I give it. Carrot first. This carrot store the food in the carrot store the food in the roots. Okay, carrots store the food in the roots like this. See, carrots roots are there. It store the food in the form of starch in the roots. This was the first example. Now let's learn something new about all the plants. See, one more example. Or let I give you peas. Peas, best idea. The peas store the food in the fruit. Okay, peas. This is a peas. These are the fruits of the peas. Okay, these are the called as fruits. It stored the food in the form of starch in the fruits. Okay, like this only, let's learn some more. Which are cauliflower. Cauliflower store the food in that flower. The cauliflower store the food in that flower. Now let's learn some more examples. Like cabbage. Cabbage. Where does the cabbage store? In the leaves. Don't write leaf because the leaf is a singular, leaves is a plural. This is plural. Okay, this was cabbage. Cabbage is the cabbage is fully made of leaves, right? Which leaves I am telling? You think this is a cabbage, and the sides are there will be leaves. That only. That leaves store the food in the form of starch. This leaves cabbage. Okay, this I thought about carrot, roots, peas, fruits, cauliflower, flower, cabbage, leaves. If you are thinking where does the potato store the food, means potato store it in the underground stem. Okay, the potato stored in the underground stem. See, this is the potato. In the underground stems are there. Okay, in the underground means under the ground there are stems. Okay, in that the potato will store the food in the form of starch. Now there is, I heard, five types of storing plants. Five types. Okay, enough. These are the five types that storing plants. They store all the food in their leaves. Some are in leaves, some in roots, some in flowers, some in leaves. I told you. Okay, and some underground stem. This was the five types I told you. तो अभी मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड बाय प्लांट्स को बोलते हैं स्टार्च. एग्जाम्पल्स कौन है? कैरेट मतलब कैरेट आपको पता है एक वेजिटेबल है वो. तो कैरेट उसका रूट्स जो रहते हैं उसमें उनका फूड, कैरेट का फूड स्टोर करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च. और पीस ये फ्रूट है, आपको ये पता होगा. इस पीस फ्रूट में करते हैं. फ्रूट्स मतलब क्या है? ये जो बीच में ये है ना, उसे बोलते हैं फ्रूट्स. तो पीस अपने फ्रूट में स्टोर करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च के फॉर्म में. फिर कॉलीफ्लावर, उनके फ्लावर मतलब ऐसा ही जो कॉलीफ्लावर रहता है ऐसा ये पूरा कॉलीफ्लावर रहता है, वो उसका जो फ्लावर से उसमें वो स्टोर करता है. और कैबेज किसमें करता है? कैबेज को लीव्स में करता है, जो साइड में ये देखिए, ये लीव्स साइड का. पोटैटो अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम मतलब कि अंडरग्राउंड, ग्राउंड के अंदर में स्टेम जिसपे पोटैटो रहता है, उसमें वो लोग अपना स्टार्च मीन्स अपना स्टार्च इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च फूड को स्टोर करते हैं इन द अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम में. तो ये था 5 टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोरेज ऑफ फूड बाय प्लांट्स.